Hello, future programmers or the current programmers. Today I come up with a video where we are going to see how we can take a screenshot using Python. Okay, so in this video, we will see how we can take a screenshot. For this, before telling you the implementation, let me tell you what is a screenshot. Screenshot is also known as a capturing screen. It is a digital image that shows the contents of a computer display. It is a common screenshot that is created by the operating system or software running on the device. So taking, saving and sharing screenshots can be extremely helpful to remember the information which we cannot write or we do not have time to write. Okay, so in this implementation, what we are doing, we are importing the Pyautogui module. What is this Pyautogui module? It is basically lets your Python script controls the mouse and keyboard to automate interactions with other applications. So its features are moving the mouse and clicking or typing in the window for other applications, sending keystrokes of to applications, like example to fill out the forms. It is taking the screenshots and given an image, for example, of a button or a checkbox. We can find it on the screen. It locates an applicant's window and move, resize, maximize, minimize, or close it. It displays the boxes for user interaction while a GUI automation script runs. So if you guys still wants to know more about this PyAutoGui function, you can go to its documentation on the Google. If you will write PyAutoGui documentation, you will find the link and then you can read it there. Now we can see the code. We are declaring and defining a variable my screenshot where we are using the feature from the Pyautogui module screenshot. Then where we want to save the screenshot, we are writing the path. Then we are importing the tkinter SDK. I have imported it two times because first was without GUI and the first was with GUI. Okay, so I'm importing the tkinter library also. So here root and in the root we are defining the title. No, in this time we are creating a canvas and we are giving it a title. So here I'm setting sc taker as a title using the title method, and we can specify the canvas dimensions also. Here I'm setting the height and width, you can see that, to 300. Then I'm defining the my screenshot function. Since we have our canvas ready, we can define a function to capture the screenshot. I'm naming it as my screenshot. So we need to create an object to store our screenshot. I'm naming it as sc. So we will call screenshot method from the Pyaauto GUI module on sc. You can see that we have defined our function. Okay, so in the my screenshot you can see that we are calling the screenshot module, and then we have our canvas ready. Now we can run this program. Let's just run it. When we run this program, you can see the title is sc taker, which we have named it in the title module. Now if we will click on take screenshot, it has taken our one screenshot that was without GUI. Now if we click again, it will take the screenshot with GUI, that is this sc taker. Now we can close this, and then you can see that we have our two screenshot. Let's open it. That was without GUI. Now the second one, that is with GUI taker. So this is how we can take a screenshot using Python with the use of PyAutoGui module. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content and the videos, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.